Hi everyone, this is Professor Carlston, recording a lecture at the Toyota dealership. Here's a nice beautiful car, look at that. And I'm just sitting here waiting for my car. Alright, bye.
Sunny day, I can see forever. On a sunny day, used to dream for miles upon this hill where we met under blue skies. But she said goodbye, left me behind, and now here I am.
Hello everyone, this is Mr. Carlston, Work Attitudes and Employer Expectations, DSPS270, Week 5, Lecture 2. This is paperwork you need when you get a job. So when you first get hired, these are the things that, these are just 3 forms that you'll fill out. Okay? All right. So paperwork, when you start a job, one of the things you must do is fill out a lot of paperwork. You might be asking yourself, why must I fill out all this paperwork and what is it for? Well, here are a few common forms that you should know. Okay. One is a W-4 form for taxes. Okay. Congratulations, you got a job. Now, unfortunately, like everyone else, we must pay taxes. So if you make $100 a day, part of that money must go to the federal government, Social Security, and other expenses for when you get older. A W-4 form determines how much money your company needs to take out of your check for taxes. That is all. The company that hired you is not trying to shortchange you or lower your paycheck. Everyone who has a job must pay taxes. This is what the form wants to know. What is your Social Security number? All right, SSN. Your Social Security number is your unique number. No one in the country has the same Social Security number as you do. So consider it an identification living in the United States. The Social Security number also helps you get Social Security money when you're ready to retire and medical insurance. Okay. Another thing they ask for is your address or where you live. Do you have any dependents? Dependents are people that depend on you to have a job. These are like kids or anyone else who depends on you to make money so you can feed them, offer shelter, or anything else. This is not the same as being married. So dependents are usually children or kids. Okay. They will also ask if you are married or single. This is called your marital status. If you live with a boyfriend or girlfriend, you are still considered single. So let's look at this form. Here it asks for your first name and middle name, initial, your last name, your Social Security number, all right, your home address. If you're single, married but withhold at a higher single rate, your city, your state and zip code, all right, total number of allowances you're claiming, which is your dependents, right? If you want to withhold any other amount, like maybe you want to add another $100 just for taxes, okay? And then your signature, and that's it. Simple form, okay? And then it also asks for the employer's name, your signature, your first day of working, and then your signature and date, okay? This is an abbreviated form, meaning a small form. Granted, this is for 2018, and I know it's 2020. Right? So this is called the W-4 tax form. Everybody must fill out what's called a W-4. Everybody must pay taxes. All right. Another one is the employer immigration form. This form determines your citizenship status and your eligibility to work in the United States. This is not a test. All they need are forms of identification so they know who they are hiring. All right. And this is what the employer immigration form is asking for. Your identification or California driver's license. This is any government issued identification. All right. Your Social Security number or card. And then your name and address. All right. So let's look at this form. Here it asks for your last name, first name, middle initial, and any other names. All right. Your address, apartment number, city, state, zip code, your date of birth, your social security number, your email address, telephone number, and then it asks 3 or 4 simple questions. You only need to answer one. Are you a citizen of the United States? Are you a non-citizen? A lawful permanent resident? Or an alien or authorized to work in the United States? All right? Most people put that they're a citizen if you're born in the United States. All right? And then you just need to sign the document and date it. And that's it. Very, very simple. All right. All right. Next thing. Okay. Last one. Emergency contacts. One of the last things a new job needs are your emergency contacts. In case you get hurt on the job or they must contact a family member, your company wants to know who to call. It can be your mom, dad, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, or anyone who is a trusted family member. They usually want 3 people as an emergency contact. All right? And you know what? That is it. So 1, do your homework. Contact me if you have questions. Go outside and feel the sun and enjoy your weekend. So let's look at the quiz for this really quick. All right? So this is our website. I'm going to go under assignments. All right? Here's Week 5, Lecture 2. And I'm going to preview this. All right, so here are the questions. I'm going to put the lecture right here. A W-4 form is for what? Taxes. All right. The employer-employee forms are for when you get hired, taxes, filling out an application for a job, or when you decide to quit your job. You fill these forms out when you get hired. All right. One of the things the W-4 form, tax form does not ask for is what? Social Security, marital status, my address, or my cat or dog's name. It does not ask for your cat or dog's name. The employee immigration form determines what kind of food you ate at home, is dumb, is a way for the Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency to find illegal aliens who work in the state and country, or determines your citizenship status and eligibility to work in the United States. It determines your citizenship status. All right. The employer immigration form and the W-4 tax form both ask for what? Your social security number, your dog and cat's favorite treats, driver's license number, or mother's maiden name. It's your social security number. All right. The employer immigration form does not ask for your what? Social security number, full name, address, ID. Which one is it? It's actually your social security. What is not a possible answer for marital status on the W-4 tax form? Married, single, divorced? Divorced is the answer. It does not ask for if you are divorced, or that's not a choice. My job needs my emergency contacts to sell products in case I get hurt or if they need to contact family members in an emergency, determine what my family life is like, or to let them know about the company family picnic and other social events. It's actually in case I get hurt. All right. Question 9. How many people do companies need for emergency contact? As many as I can name because I have a big family. 3, 2, or 4. Usually it's 3. And then last one, what is not a good person for an emergency Who is not a good person for an emergency contact? Your brother and sister, aunt and uncle, your pet, mom and dad. It's your pet. Your pet cannot answer the phone. All right? If you have any questions, give me a call, and I will see you later this afternoon at 12:30. All right? You guys take care.
On a sunny day, I can see forever. On a sunny day. we met.